Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So yesterday I was so much frustrated looking at the fall in Nifty, and you know what is the story behind yesterday's fall, whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty. It was so much fall, I got frustrated and I was so much depressed, and I even didn't come to office back after lunch. So that much was the frustration, that much was the this thing, what is that embarrassment this market gave me yesterday. I really avoided come YouTube yesterday. That's why I didn't post, because I had huge position, huge lots of put options, returns 16,700, 16,500. It was like I want to make some adjustment, but I knew if I make some adjustment I am going to get wrong. My instinct was saying I'm going to be wrong, and by God's grace I don't know what to say. Today market reverted, and hopefully this 17,000 or 16,750, which is a low which we saw yesterday, could act as a support, maybe good support, and we might go on the higher side. That's what I believe now. My outlook, see, I didn't expect so much of fall, and you know why the fall is. First it was SVB, then it was Credit Suisse. So much of rumors, so much of conspiracies. Then came, I think, Swiss government came out. They told they will infuse 50 billion Swiss franc, so on and so forth. So we'll not talk about Credit Suisse, or we'll not going to talk about SVB. We will talk what is going to happen going forward. See, I'm having a position where even today I am in loss, but still I am predicting, or still I am believing that the market may retrace. So I believe that the market may go to 17,200, 17,300, or maybe even 17,400. That's what I believe. I have huge March quantity in March expiry, even April expiry I have, December expiry I have. So huge quantity I have. So we'll see. We'll talk about that, and we'll also see how FIIs have significantly reduced the short position. I wouldn't even say significantly, that we don't know, because today's end of the day data has to come. I'm sure it would have not come, but as far as yesterday's data, they have reduced the short index, short futures considerably. So this might act as a bottoming out process, or this might be a bottom, or 17,000 or 16,700 might act as a good support, right? So we'll see one by one. And first and foremost, before going into the video itself, let me talk about M stock. So I have talked about M stock previously. We have put videos previously about M stock. We also have an account with M stock, and they are really giving me good things. And in fact, one of our accounts is handled in M stock. Now what they are giving is, you know that I have talked about this margin trading facility. So you might know what is margin trading facility. If you don't know what is margin trading facility is a loan from your broker at a very for interest. Obviously nobody is going to give you for free. There is no free lunch. But what is the difference between M stock and other brokers is that M stock is giving you margin trading facility at very low cost. Their charges are effective interest rate is around 7.9%, 99%. But if you go for other broker, full-time broker, I don't want to name, their charges are going to be around 12%. So if you want, or if you are a person who is looking into trading with margin trading facility, of course there's a disclaimer, there is a lot of risk involved in this. So you have to decide whether you want to trade in margin trading facilities or not. Okay, so you have to remember this thing. And they are also offering a very attractive pricing plan. Now you pay just $1,000. Okay, you pay just 999 rupees, and you are lifetime free. You don't have to pay anything at all. You pay 999 rupees, zero brokerage across delivery, intraday, FNO, mutual fund, IPO, currency, no matter what. It is just 999 and free for lifetime. Or you pay 149, zero brokerage for life. That is for delivery, mutual fund and IPO only. So they are going to charge 20 rupees flat for FNO and currency. Plus optionally if you pay 999, free AMC is also, you can opt for free AMC, that is annual maintenance charges. Otherwise you will have to pay 120 rupees per year, right? 999 you pay plus another 999 you don't have to pay anything else. Lifetime free brokerage, lifetime free AMC. Or you pay 149, it is free of charge. Delivery mutual fund IPO is free, plus 999 you pay AMC is also free. So it's up to you whether you want to take 999 or 149 plus 999 extra for AMC orders. So this is their chart. They are really having attractive brokers. And let me tell you about M-Stock. M-Stock is a company based out of South Korea, like based out of South Korea in the sense they are the sister concern of Mirae Asset. So Mirae Asset is a very big company in South Korea. They are into investment, they are into portfolio management, they are having a very big portfolio. So investment backing, so on and so forth, insurance, all financial services. If you see in terms of financial services, M-Stock is a very, very big brokerage company, which is a sister concern of Mirae Assets. Okay. Now, getting back to the markets, let me go to the Nifty chart. So, Nifty chart is kind of forming a doji pattern, right? So, if you see this chart, people say this as a doji pattern, right? So this is called doji pattern. Now doji patterns are not confirmed pattern. No, now if you see a doji pattern on the bottom, it is not confirmation of market reversing. Or if you see a doji pattern on the top, it is not confirmation of market reversing from top. Now we have to have a confirmation. Tomorrow if we have a green candle, or if tomorrow today's high, which is around high is around 17,600, right? In fact, Nifty tried to close above 17,662 all day long, but it was not able to. But if we cross 17,062 tomorrow, we might have a trend reversal. Look at the fall here from 17,000 to, I cannot digest this fall at all, from 17,900 to 16,800. 1,000 points fall in Nifty in just 5 or 6 trading session. We had that's what I told, we had a debit spread, we had a straddle at 17,800, and so much of gap up and so much of fall, we cannot even digest this thing. That is the problem. Still now we are managing. We don't know how we are going to end up. Now, if the market goes on the higher side, let's say market goes on the higher side, it may have some rejections at around 17,350 to 17,250 levels. And if it goes on the lower side, low is around 16,800. So 16,800 might act as a support. So 16,800 is a support. On the higher side, 17,250 to 17,300 level might act as a resistance. That is in terms of Nifty. And in terms of Bank Nifty, same thing. I think 39,700 or 39,000, even 40,000, 39,750 levels to around 40,000 level might act as a good resistance. And on the downside, in fact, we were talking in our last video that Bank Nifty has taken has not taken budget day low of around 39,300, and yesterday that it took that break even, that budget day low also. That's why I told, I was so much frustrated, I got into depression and I went home. And the low of around 39, today's low is around 38,600, might act as a support in case we are gapping down tomorrow. In case we are gapping up, then 39,500 to 39,600 level might act as a good resistance. This is in terms of Bank Nifty. And market wide participants, as I told you, this figure, future index short. Now, if you see on 14th, this is the lagging data. If you see on 14th, they had a staggering 1,70,715 open active contracts in future index short. Now, that has reduced from 170,000 to 15th, they have come to 166,000. So considerably they have reduced the short position. Is this enough? Is this short covering? No, this is not short covering. I wouldn't say this is short covering, and this is not enough also. We might today, we don't know what is the data. This is end of the day data, and if you are in our Telegram group, I'll post this in our Telegram group. We have a very vibrant Telegram group where we discuss many things about stock market. In fact, I got so much notification yesterday. People were chatting, like they were chatting all kind of things. They were chatting market is going to go down. That in fact whatever people predicted happened yesterday. That is a whole different ball game. What our people in our Telegram group predicted happened yesterday, but that's a whole different thing. But it is a group where we discuss many things. That's what I want to say. So in terms of future index short, they have reduced slightly. So that's why I'm saying this might be a bottoming out process. And in terms of FIA data, NSE FIA data, FIIs have still sold for around just 282 crores, and DIIs have bought for around 20,051 crores. So that is in terms of FII data today. And US futures are also flat, kind of flat. Today there is very important event around 6:45. I think European Central Bank is going to come out with interest rate hike, and market participants are anticipating a 50 basis point hike in interest rate. So if anything below that comes below that, then Europe may rally, then even US market may go on the higher side. So as of now, what I believe is that this things whichever happened or whichever is happening in terms of banking stocks, in fact today also banking stocks in Europe rallied to an extent. So this story now, Adani story is forgotten. Right now it is about this story. In between China-India border story will come, then China-Taiwan issue will come. So we have to digest everything and go forward. We don't have any other option. And I'm sure SGX Nifty is also slightly trading in the green. And I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.